What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 load boards, 4 gig apps that I use to make $20,000 in only 3 months with a cargo van. Yes, guys, $20,000 in 3 months with a cargo van, a little under $7,000 a month. And I'm going to show you completely how I do this and what loads I use and what type of loads that I could get. Now, if you don't know already, I do provide dispatching services. All you have to do is go in the link in the description and email me at lattamanagement@gmail.com, and I will get you the best load options available, and you can start making, up to $1,000 a week in only a cargo van. But yes, guys, I got 3 special load boards coming at you today, and 1 load board that's gonna make you some extra side money. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you will learn exactly how you can make up to $5,000 a month with a cargo van, guys. And don't forget to check out the links in the description. I do provide coaching calls that help you start up your cargo van, box truck business, even online business, and even how to boost your credit fast, and the Calendly /KINGLATTA link in the description. But with all that being said, let's get right into this video. 4 load boards that's gonna help you make up to $20,000 in just 3 to 4 months. So let's get right into it. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So in this video, I'm not going to actually show you the technicals itself of these load boards. I'm just going to show you the websites. But if you did want to see the full video and how these load boards actually work, go ahead and check out the YouTube memberships, guys. The full video is over there. And guys, on the YouTube memberships, we do have exclusive investing content. As you can see, this is just the overview, but on the YouTube memberships, that's where you can see the actual loads that are posted. So first up, we have Curry Driver, not Stephen Curry, but we have CURRI Driver. So with this app, guys, I love this app because it does take cargo van and box truck. And if you have a cargo van, they will pretty much send you loads every other day, sometimes even every day. But most of the time I get loads like every 3 days, every 4 days, and they're good paying loads. So as you can see on my phone, we have Curry Driver, and these are like the load options that they send me every now and then, and they are good rates, guys. It's a little over $1.70 per mile, and sometimes the rates are bad, but if you don't have any work for the day, it's still some decent money to be made. So this is Curry Driver. Are you a gig driver or are you a carrier? We are a carrier, guys, and then you would just simply sign up. It's 100% free, guys, and you will get sent loads out to your phone almost every day, but every other day, 3 days at the max, guys, if you're in a cargo van. And if you're in a box truck, guys, you will get loads every single day, multiple times a day. So yes, guys, they have a pretty easy to use app, and as you can see, they have many different brokers that they work with, many different customers. Sometimes regular people like yourself will be shipping out loads to get delivered with Curry Driver. So they have Curry Freight, dedicated. So they have dedicated lanes, guys. They have Hot Shot, and then they have Curry Route Driver. So pretty much dedicated lanes. They have a route planner. So everything over here, guys, is good with Curry Driver. Like I said, they will send you a load every other day. Are you a gig driver? You can even do this in your car. So yeah, man, y'all go ahead and check this out. On to the second one, we have Goshare. Now with Goshare, guys, Goshare does have a pretty long sign up process. Not really long, it'll take probably like 2 or 3 days, but as you can see, they work with all of these vehicles right here, even your car. But to get started with Goshare, I'm gonna go ahead and go over the rules that you need to know, the requirements. You do need to submit a video inspection, guys, for your vehicle. So your vehicle can't have any lights on the dashboard, no tire lights, no engine lights, no lights on whatsoever. The headlights have to work, and guys, the reverse lights have to work. You have to do a 3-point turn on a video call. You also have to engage the emergency brake on the video call, and also, guys, you have to send in a video of you going over 35 miles per hour to whoever was doing your inspection, guys. So also another thing is they want to make sure the tires is good and the thread is good. Also, like I said, tail lights, headlights all working properly, the blinkers are working. And yeah, guys, they just want to make sure your vehicle is fully functioning, and that is Goshare. No matter how old your vehicle is, as long as it's fully functioning and there's no lights on, you should be good to go. And they do pay pretty good, guys. As you can see, actually no, it doesn't tell you the price anymore. I know back in the day it used to tell you how much you can make under each of these vehicles, but the box truck can make up up to $150 per hour. Cargo van is looking at $75 to $100 per hour. Pickup truck is looking at $50 to $100 per hour, and carrier is looking at $45 to $80 per hour, guys. So make sure you guys take note of that. Goshare is definitely a good way to go, especially if you have your own business, especially if you have a cargo van or a big like 4-door car that can fit a lot of packages. But I love Goshare. They always send loads. They always have good paying loads. Their average price is about $2 per mile, which is a pretty good rate, especially nowadays because rates are very low right now. Rates are about $150, guys, $150 to $170 on average per mile. And if you don't believe me, man, just check out this video right here on the low rates video, and you will see all the proof about, you know, all the bad things that's going on in this trucking business. But with all that being said, on to the third one. This is Goshare. Check it out. This is actually my favorite one, guys, because customers is on here, regular people like yourself getting loads shipped out, small businesses such as Sherwin-Williams or tire shops getting tires or paint buckets shipped out, just all different types of stuff over here, and you can get good rates on this app, guys, and it's on your phone, on your computer, on everything. So yes, on to this third one, guys. We do have DAT. Now, DAT, if you don't know already, this is what all your dispatchers use. This is the main load board that semi-truck and box truck drivers use. So this is mainly for semi-truck and box truck, but if you are in the cargo van, they still have loads on here. I do suggest getting the regular plan right here. So I do suggest, if you have a cargo van, getting the DAT one standard for $45 a month, because there's not that many cargo van loads on here. And like I said, if you want to see what the actual loads looking like, the live loads, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube memberships. It's only $3, guys, if you're a trucker and you want that trucking content. $3 a month. Get the YouTube memberships and you can see exactly how to work these loads. And also, if you need me to dispatch you loads, it is go to my email, lattamanagement@gmail.com, and I will start dispatching you loads, and I'm only charging $10 a week, guys. So you can get signed up with me with $10 and I will get you the best loads as possible. But yes, guys, if you are in box truck, I would advance and get the enhanced version for $85 a month. And even if you're trying to be a dispatcher, you can even get the DAT 1 Pro, which lets you post multiple trucks and you can get multiple loads for your drivers. So that is DAT, guys. DAT is a very good load board. As you can see, this is kind of like the overview. As you can see, very easy filters, very easy map, and you can see the loads right here, the price, and then you would email the broker. So that's the products that they have. You can grow your business for the long haul, all that good stuff. You can get signed up, and once you get signed up, you have immediate access to the load board. So on to the fourth load board and the final load board. But before we get into this load board, man, don't forget to check out the links in the description where I do provide the coaching calls where you can learn how to start up your trucking business absolutely easy, guys. And we do have a lot of ebook store where you can get exclusive ebooks, guys, step-by-step tutorials on how to start your business or even how to make money passively. So check those links out. Back to the video. Woo! So on to the fourth one, we do have Amazon Flex. Now, Amazon Flex, this comes in two. So technically this video is 5 load boards, but we have Amazon Flex, and then we do also have Amazon Grocery. So Amazon Flex is pretty much regular packages like how you see regular Amazon drivers in their cargo van driving, but instead of you being in an Amazon cargo van, you're gonna be in your own cargo van or your own car. So you would simply reserve a block, and then you would make the deliveries and you would get paid in the same day. And these deliveries are paying up to $200 per block. So a block can be anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, guys. So they will give you the amount of packages that will pretty much fill your time from 2 to 4 hours. You can do that block and get paid, you know, $20 per hour. So around $200 a day, and you can even reserve 2 blocks a day and start making up to $400 a day on a good day with Amazon. Don't quote me, man. I said on a good day. So if you make 300 or 200 with 2 blocks, hey, I said on a good day you can make 400. So also, guys, they do have Amazon Grocery, which means that you can start giving out loads. I mean, you can start getting loads, not giving out. What am I talking about? You can start getting loads and start delivering groceries for people, guys. So this is how it looks, Amazon Flex. And then we also have Amazon, I think it's called Amazon Cold. Okay, so you can go there and you can start getting loads for groceries and start delivering food from Amazon, guys. So that is the fourth one that we have. Amazon Flex is not always available in your area, so you have to do your due diligence to see if they are giving out loads in your local area. But that is the 4 that we have today. We have Curry Driver, a good app that will send loads to your phone number. And then we have Goshare, an app that is always available 24/7. You can use all of these vehicles and you can get paid up to $100 per hour, even in a pickup truck. If you are in a 4-door car, you could probably get, you know, around $75 an hour. And then, guys, with DAT, loads for semi truck and box truck all over the place, all over the United States, the best load board out there. And then we do have Amazon Flex and Amazon Cold or Amazon Grocery. I can't really remember the name of it, but I do know that they are offering those opportunities to deliver groceries from Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up so this video can get pushed out to many others, because this is Black Investors Group, where we do make money the easy way. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, like it, subscribe it, and man, my name's KINGLATTA. We out. Woo! Psych! Woo! But before we go, don't forget to check out the YouTube memberships, and if you want to get exclusive premium loads from me, go ahead and hit the email at lattamanagement@gmail.com, and you can get some loads for only $10 a week, guys. Don't sleep on it. But with all that being said, we out. Woo!